Hey, what's up, my friend? So today's video is gonna be a little bit different because it is a Trading with Rayner exposed, right? So this is a review from the website tradingschools.org, and I received a 1.2 star review. So Trading with Rayner exposed, right? Since that's the case, let's do this. Okay, so let's have a look at the allegations and see whether they are real or not. So let me just scroll down and have a read at it. All right, so can see that Rayner Teo, the Rambo of Singapore. I never once said that, but if people think that I'm the Rambo of Singapore, I am honored. The military commanders, upon first seeing all 5'1" of Rayner, 5'1". Do I look this short in videos, man? Let's see. So this is a book, my report book, right back in secondary school. 14 and a half years old. I was 1.83 meters and I weigh 101 kilos. Alright, that's a way unhealthy weight range. But anyway, I don't think I'm 5'1" and 14 years old, and I don't think I'm 5'1" now. But hey, if you think I'm lying, you can always fly to Singapore, check out my height, check out my weight, right? But I don't think you dare to do that. Okay, so next thing is the next Malaysian Rambo. Hey, why is there a Rambo of Singapore and here is a Malaysian Rambo? Right, anyway, to clear things up, I am from Singapore, right? Malaysia and Singapore, we used to be together lovey-dovey, right? In 1965, we broke up, we divorced, so Singapore is Singapore right now, and Malaysia is Malaysia right now. Separate countries, right? So I'm from Singapore. And I went to an elite military training academy. That's right, I was enlisted into commando. And some of this included hand-to-hand fighting skills, counter-terrorism, hostage remediation, spoon fighting. I don't know where you get all this information from, right? I clearly have not, said such stuff, right? And mid-flight parachute repair. We don't repair parachutes either. Okay, so what else? Okay, so might be think I'm lying. Okay, so let's have a look. There you have it, right? This is one of the letter that I gotten back in ICT, in-camp training in 2017. And it's from a lieutenant colonel. Of course, I highlight out the name. I covered the content. I'm not sure whether I'm allowed to post this, so better, cover my butt as much as possible. But I didn't cover my body, so you can still look at it if you want. And lieutenant colonel, blah, blah, blah. So CO11 CDO-BN, right? What is CDO-BN, right? Yeah, it's not Cat Dog Officer Battalion. It stands for Commando Battalion, okay? So if you want some pictures of my handsome-looking younger days, this is me back in 2009 when I ORD, right? And so-called had my freedom after 2 years, right? So that was me, right? In my number 1 uniform and my red beret. Oh, I love the red berets. Signifies so much to me. Yeah? So that was my elite military training, to say. And then after which you mentioned I got involved into a prop trading forex company. Yeah, so actually before this I actually enlisted into University of London, right? 3 years of study, and then I got a job in proprietary trading. And it's not a proprietary trading forex company, it's a proprietary trading futures company. They actually specialize in trading the Nikkei futures. I didn't mention the name because the firm is no longer in existence, but if you're wondering, it's called United Alliance Capital. Okay, that's the firm I used to work for. Okay, and then and now he wants to teach you all his secrets, method, and techniques so that you can become a full-time forex and futures trader. I don't believe I once said that I want you guys to be a full-time forex and futures trader. In fact, I advocate that traders should be trading part-time, right? It's easier on their psychology, right? And they have a constant income coming in, right? Compared to trading full-time. So I never once advocate trading full-time. If there's any video or post that I mentioned, right, clearly show it to me, right? So I know I'm wrong. But again, based on my own recollection, I don't remember saying such thing at all because I don't advocate at all. According to his self-written biography, yeah, I'm a nobody. I gotta write the biography myself. I can't hire someone famous to write my biography, right? So I gotta write it myself, right? Okay, 189,000 subscribers. Yeah, about 190 now, all right? And I'm hoping to hit 1 million, right? Hope you're still there watching when I'm at 1 million subscribers. And the secrets, right? Some of these secrets includes MACD, moving average. Yep, that's right. I did all this. In fact, you are shortchanging me down here. I believe there is more, right? I believe there's technical analysis, all right, and maybe even candlestick patterns, yada yada. But anyway, okay, I know the secrets to anything. And okay, so let me just share with you why I use the word secrets. And it's quite simple. I'm just going to publish an indicator called MACD or candlestick patterns. Nobody's going to click on it, right? It's not enticing. So I got to use the word secrets, okay? And get people to click and perhaps learn something. Then here's the thing. It's going to be clickbait if, people click on it, they don't learn something, and you can see the like to dislike ratio on the YouTube. The thumbs up and the thumbs down is going to be very skewed, right? It's going to be like, many dislikes. But based on my own data, most of my videos, if not all of my videos, right, are 90% likes and above. So, yep, that's the reason why I do it, right? To get people's attention, and hopefully they can learn something and got value out of it. And we'll talk about the value part later on. And what else? Okay. What else? Okay, so then there's this book, right, that says indicators are useless, yada yada. So here's the thing, right? When I teach people how to use indicators or certain patterns, I don't tell them to say this one cross this buy, this one cross this sell. No, I explain the concept to it. For example, you can use moving average to serve as a trend filter to identify a long bias or a short bias. You can use the ATR indicator to identify volatility in the markets, then perhaps to use it to trail your stop loss, to write trends. I talk about concepts. I don't talk about specific systems that just rely on indicators. No, indicators are not meant for that purpose. They're meant to complement your trading, right? And to apply certain trading concepts, right, to your own trading. And indicators are useful for that. Okay, so... Okay, let's see. Then he opines on how these seemingly useless indicators reveal the magical key to unlocking limitless amount of wealth, prosperity, and unlimited shrimp cocktail. Alright, I don't really like shrimp cocktail, but anyway, prove it to me, man. Tell me which video I promises riches, right? Can trade full time, right? Just by applying some indicators. Just prove it to me. Right? In fact, if you can prove to me a video that says that, I'll give you $1,000, $1,000 in your bank. Right? You don't have to rely on Google, searches to, earn money from those clicks. I'll just give you $1,000 cash, wire to whichever bank you have, right? Sounds good, right? Good money. And if you can't find it, then you know what? Just give me $10, okay? So from a risk to reward standpoint, wow, this is a favorable risk to reward trade, man. You gotta take this. Okay, so what else? Okay, so yep. Okay, does Rayner even trade? Oh, okay, that's nice. Okay, you spoke out to one of my executive. Okay, and then you mentioned there's nothing wrong with technical analysis. Well, you just trashed technical analysis indicators just a few paragraphs ago. Must be within the context of actual backtesting. Oh, well, in fact, right, if you look at a few of my videos, like, does technical analysis work or moving average crossover secrets, I talk about backtesting inside of it. And in fact, let me just, bring you behind the scenes, right, to a few of my own trading systems that I do trade. Right, I'll just share with you one because the rest are secrets. Right, so for example, futures trend following. So this is a backtesting platform. It's called Army Broker. You can look up on the internet. The data I get from is from Norgate Data. So the backtest results of this particular trading system, right? By the way, this is secret, right? But I'm sharing it with you, right? Because hey, you took time to write a review for me, right? And you can see that over the last 20 years, well, I think more like 19 years. 2019 is not complete yet, right? So about the last 18, 19 years, right? It's overall a profitable trading strategy in the long run. And you can see that over here, okay, these are the, if I were to trade this system, right, I should be holding all these different positions right now. It says to hold, right, over here. And then, now back, right, does Rayner even trade? Okay, so this, right, is one of my trading account. Okay, you can see it's live. LIVE, and you can see that these are the current positions that I'm holding right now. Okay, so again, back to where we left off. If I were to trade this system and it says hold, then technically my live trading account should be holding these positions, right? If not, it simply means that I have a potential profitable trading system that has worked well over the last 19 years, but I'm not trading it. So if I were to be trading it, I should be holding every single one of these positions. So we can see that from here to here, there's 28 positions, right? You can pause this video and calculate the line by line if you want. And on here, we have 28 positions over here. Okay, and also, not just 28 positions, the positions have to be identical. Okay, so let's have a look. The last, most recent one, right, I should be shorting sugar. Okay, sugar, let's have a look, right? Sugar, so sweet. Okay, sugar, over here. Short, okay. How about the second last one? This one will be NASDAQ long. Nasdaq, where are you? Come to Papa. Well, I'm having some difficulty finding Nasdaq. Maybe some of the viewers would have already spotted, but I'm a little bit slow. Yeah. There. Oh, I missed that. Yeah, over here. Gosh, sorry, it took a while. Buy, right? B for buy, B for boy. Then you have long Mexican peso, the dollar Mexican, which is where is it? Over here, Mexican dollar. Sorry, and it's a buy. It's the opposite since it's the inverse, right? So you have an idea, right? Basically, the 28 positions on here, it's pretty much the same as the ones here. Okay, and for statements, right? I dig up the last few months of trading statements just for you, right? This is March, all right, at end of March. Okay, this is the positions that I've traded, blah blah blah, P&L and everything. Yeah, you can see it's a summary version. This is for April again, end of April again, total P&L. I think there's more than that for April. Yep, until here. Then for May, okay, this one over here, okay. And for June, this one over here, right? So right now July is not over yet, so I don't have the statement. But yeah, this is the last few months of our trading, okay? And what else? One last thing. It's wrapping things up. Another day and yet another YouTube comment get exposed as a charlatan. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Yeah, thank you, right? I am friendly, entertaining. I appreciate that. And okay, instead it's okay. Malaysian Rambo, right? Spends his day creating useless videos that have little to no value other than enriching Rayner. So here's the thing about value. I realize that value, it's all about perspective, right? It's like one man's meat is another man's poison. It might be poison to you, but to someone else, it might be good. It might be really useful. Okay, so yeah, you can have a look over here, right? By Steve. Thank you, Steve, right? Top quality content as always, Rayner. Thank you for your help. Trading has improved since discovering your channel. I'm on the right track now. Maybe from Jemayan Mitchell, right? Maybe a better trader. Thank you, Jemayan. Dewey, I hope pronounced correctly. Dewey, right? Love your videos. Winning rate is higher than before. Okay, and I stopped losing money in false breakout. Wow, awesome to hear that. And what else? Okay, Josiel, right, from Philippines. All right. Okay, good amount of winning streaks now. Small profits, but rather frequent now. Awesome. And Lenny's, right? I watch almost of your video you post because say this is one of the most powerful and help one-on-one guide video from all of you, the traders. You could get paid by sharing this lesson with people. However, I'm just thankful my previous trades after subscribing you got much better. 8 out of 10 trades are successful. Right? You could get paid. Well, I didn't get paid for those videos. In fact, I got a review, right? I got a negative review for posting too many secrets video out there. Yep. So yeah, that's pretty much it, right? So for those of you who are still watching, right, supporters, subscribers, I appreciate your support, right? I'm just thankful and grateful for all that, the help, the support that you have given me. And also, you can be sure to expect more secrets in future, right? Those will be free as well on YouTube, so stay tuned.